All right, yellowing headlights. How to get them clear again. This is a much cheaper option for you. A lot of guys just go and get aftermarket headlights, and that's a good thing to do. But one thing that you can do to also clear them, and this has worked for me for years, go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, any one of your parts places, get you a bottle of this 3M rubbing compound. You're just going to take you microfiber rag. You're going to wipe this stuff, rub this stuff on there. And it's a really just a paste basically. It doesn't have a lot of grit in it. I know Turtle Wax makes some and it's real gritty. I don't like it. This is like a peach colored, just a paste, and you're just gonna rub it in by hand. Just rub it all over the headlight. Just kind of put a little elbow grease into it. That alone may clear your headlights. If you wanted to, you could also get a pad from like Harbor Freight, one that goes onto your drill, and you can just zzz, rub it on. You could use a buffer if you wanted to, and that's just an option. And another, to take it a step further, when you're done with that, you can get this on Amazon. Plexus plastic cleaner, protectant, and polish. This is some great stuff. So you can start out with the 3M. Once you get them cleared up, you can go over it with this, spray it on, and you basically do it the same way. Rub it in, and if you have any excess after that, you can go back with a clean rag and just buff it some more by hand. Doesn't take a lot. And a lot of guys that drive motorcycles use this on their visors to keep their helmet visors clean, and also the windshield. This was developed by a company, airplane company, to go on the windshields, to keep them clean. Um, so it's some really good stuff. Plexus plastic cleaner, protectant, and polish. You can get this on Amazon, and I've had this for a while. It's lasted me for a good while, and it's just a good way to keep your headlights up. And what the yellowing effect is on the headlights, it's oxidation from the weather, especially from the heat, and they just yellow, get that yellow tint over time. This 3M rubbing compound is great. When I was working for GM in the shop, that's where I learned. I learned from a body guy how to use this stuff, and it works fantastic. And I can clear my headlights by hand. Like I say, hey, you want to get a little bit more into it, you can use a buffer, you can use a pad on a drill. 3M rubbing compound. This is what you want to get. It definitely works. Do not ever use, I've seen guys out there that say to use your mosquito spray with DEET. The chemicals in that stuff will melt the plastic. Yes, that's right. Literally melt and mar the plastic. Do not use off with DEET. It's a huge mistake. Get you some of this 3M rubbing compound. Take it a step further. Get you a can of Plexus. So, all right, guys. That will get you fixed up. You guys take it easy.